Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be going over exact campaigns and auto campaigns. I'm not doing broad because I usually don't use those when I launch, and I'm not doing product targeting because I don't use those when I launch. So I'm just going to be going over those two, and in later videos I'll be going over those other two. In the previous video we talked about the 25 keywords we pulled from Cerebro, so if you haven't done that yet, look at the description below and click on the link to that video so you can get that done before doing this video. Alright guys, let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Seller Central account right now, and I'm under the Advertising tab, and I'm about to hit Campaign Manager. So after I do that, it brings up this page where I'm going to go down and hit Create Campaign. Once I hit Create Campaign, I'm going to hit this first one right here called Sponsored Products. I'm actually not going to hit it right now because I've already filled out an exact campaign and an auto campaign in these up two tabs right here. So I'm going to hit on this first tab, which is my auto campaign. So when you get to this page, you're going to have to fill out a campaign name. I'm using Magnetic Balls and Cubes, except abbreviated, -auto. It's very important to put the auto on there because you need to know that's your automatic campaign. The next section up is the start and end date. You're going to want to let this automatic campaign run forever. I kind of sit here and pull the data from this automatic campaign so I can find keywords that are converting, that are low cost, that I can make sales off of. So at the end of the day, this is a very powerful campaign that you're going to have running the whole time. I usually do a daily budget of around $20 to start out. And you could kind of choose whatever you want to do on that, but I recommend it being in the lower of your budget because those exact campaigns, you know that they should be able to convert decently for your product. So you're going to come down here to targeting, and you're going to hit automatic targeting, and then you're going to come down to campaign bidding strategy. And I always do dynamic bids up and down. What this means is if I do like a 50-cent bid on my automatic campaign, it'll go up and it will go down. So it will go to $1 and then it would go down to 0 cents basically. It's going to be on a sliding scale. So let's come down here and create an ad group. The ad group name will be auto for this since it's an automatic campaign. And then coming down here, we go to products. I hit search product because I've already listed it in my inventory. This is not the product we've been using, the magnet cubes and magnetic balls. But I did this because I actually, I couldn't sell this product, so I just use this as an example right here. And I use this Oricon fidget pad. So I clicked on that after looking it up. And I came down here and I'm setting my automatic targeting bid right here. So right here it suggests I go from 50 cents to $1.60 and the suggested bid is 80. I'm gonna go 50 cents because I don't want to spend too much money finding these big keywords that are hard to rank for. So I'm gonna do 50 cents to find that low-hanging fruit at first under my automatic campaign. All right. This is something that you're not going to need to know anything about yet, the negative keyword targeting. Let's say when I pull my findings after a couple weeks for my automatic campaign and I'm seeing keywords that are just not converting at all, I'm going to want to come in here and add them into my negative keyword targeting. But that's going to be a whole nother video when I show you how to optimize your campaigns. All right, guys, that's going to end the automatic campaign right here. So let's move on to that exact campaign where we pulled our 25 keywords. All right, here we go. We're going to do the same thing. Campaign name is going to be Mag BC except exact this time. And our start date's going to be January 6th, which is when we're allegedly starting our campaign. And the end date, I'm just going to leave that open-ended for right now. So my daily budget's going to be $30. Guys, if you need to be checking your exact campaign daily to see if it's running out of budget. If it's running out of budget, you may need to up it a little bit more, but you also need to keep in mind how much you have to spend for your budget over time. So we're going to come down here next and we're going to go to targeting. We're going to do manual this time. And then we're also going to come down to campaign bidding strategy again and do dynamic bids up and down. And create an ad group. So the ad group name this time is exact and not auto. And as you can see, I typed in our product again and clicked on it. And we're going to get down here and I'm going to do a keyword targeting. All right, when we came to this page, it had suggested keywords up. So we're going to pull those 25 keywords, which I don't have the 25, I'm just using 2 as an example right now. And we're going to go to inner list instead of suggested. All right, scroll down. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more real quick. And then these 3 are always chosen right here. So I'm going to hit exact instead, and I'm going to type in all those 25 keywords, and then I'm going to hit add keywords. Once I hit add keywords, it's going to be put over to this column over here. So as you can see, I put 5mm magnetic balls and magnetic balls 5mm. As you can see over here, we have a suggested bid and a bid I put in. I roughly do the amount that's in between the low bid and the high bid, just so I kind of get all the way up to that high point. Some people like to be a little bit more aggressive and do it above it because they really want to see what that keyword's going to do for them, but I kind of keep it there. That's kind of where it comes into you, what you feel like is going to be best. Everybody has a different thought perspective when it comes to this. I'm going to scroll down here, and as you can see, the negative keyword targeting, we're not going to need to worry about this just because the fact that we could always pause that keyword when we go to optimize it later on after we have all the data. Alright guys, that's going to sum up this video. Leave comments below. I know this is getting a little bit more intense and nerve-wracking when it comes to setting up these campaigns and the bids and what my budget should be. Leave comments below if you want me to talk more into that kind of thing, or just get a call with me. $1 for 45 minutes. You can't go wrong. And if I can't help you, I'll try to put you in a direction where someone else can help you. You guys have a great day and take care, and get ready for the next video tomorrow, which is our timeline for the changes that we make for our product. You guys have a great day and take care. Thank you.